Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to see All India Rank 12 UPSC 2024 Ashi Sharma's Answer Copy. So let's go into the question which has been asked here. What are the key factors that accelerated the decolonization post World War II? So it's a 10-marker question. In this particular question, they are asking only one component in the question. So for a 10-marker, we know very well we'll be given only a maximum of 2 pages to write, and this topper has utilized the space management in a very good manner. And if you look at this particular question, this question is picked from GS paper 1 World History component. So let's now go into the answer writing technique of All India Rank 12 Ashi Sharma's answer writing technique. There is a clear visible introduction, and that has been written in a 2.5 lines in a better manner. And if you look at the body of the answer, this has been presented in a subheading come point-wise approach. This is what I will be telling to my students also to follow this. And followed by the body of the answer, there is a clear conclusion that has also been written in a 2.5 lines. So introduction, conclusion, both has been written in a short and crisp manner by Ashi Sharma. And let's go into the introduction here. The conclusion of the Second World War was how the decolonization of countries in Asia and Africa. So introduction looks very simple. What she would have done additionally is that she would have included any time factor, time scale, when it would have happened, what is the time scale or which dynasty. If these things could be added, it would have added some more value. So to avoid extra of a marker, let's look at the conclusion. Thus, the Second World War was, though tragic for humanitarian loss, became a silver lining for colonies. Again, it is a summary of what has been concluded or discussed in the overall answer. So what she would have done effectively is that giving linkage with any current affairs issue or any other better way of giving a solution to this particular issue in today's context would actually add more value to this answer. Let's look into the body of the answer. In the body of the answer, she has included various dimensions, that is global, and then political, and then economical, and then popular. So this is looking very attractive, because generally I will be telling my students, whenever you are writing a GS answer, we should have a multi-dimensional approach. Usually the evaluator will be looking for multi-dimensional approach in a student's answer copy, and this is clearly written by this Ashi Sharma All India Rank 12. So overall, in each of the subheadings, she has been followed out with various point-based approach. Additionally, she has written varieties of examples as well to support her answer writing. So overall, if you look at the total number of points for the global factor, she has written 3 points. So she will be getting 1.5. For the political, she has written 1 point, half a mark. And economic, she has written another 3 points, so 1.5 mark. And for the popular factor, she has written another 2 points, so 1 mark. So overall, in the body of the answer itself, she has fetched 1.5 plus half 2. So 1.5, 3.5 plus 4.5 marks. And for writing the overall examples in a better manner, she will be getting additional 1 mark for the value addition she has done. So 5.5 marks for the body of the answer, and for introduction and conclusion, she got 1 mark. So overall, she got 6 marks for the 10-marker question. And I would say this is a very good mark, because considering the world history toughness and the variability of the question asked in the examination, it's always better to write multi-dimensional approach and try to have a proper structure in our answer writing, and try to include varieties of examples in our answer. Will always bring value in our answer writing. So if you look at the overall written marks of this topper All India Rank 12 Ashi Sharma, she has got 840 marks. So what are some of the important learnings of today's answer writing discussion is, whenever we are writing world history question also, we need to have a proper introduction, body, and then conclusion, and writing the body of the answer in subheading come point-wise format, and try to include varieties of examples, and try to address the question in a multi-dimensional approach. So that will add more value to questions like world history. So for more such videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you, students.